Honestly, you can make this an everyday thing. It's that easy. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm really pleased to have you here because I think you're gonna love this channel because it's all about beauty. Now today we're talking lashes, and a common question that I get asked is how do you apply eyelashes? I have my own lash brand, and when I'm applying my lashes to clients or models, they all seem to ask the same question. How do I apply eyelashes? Like, I love wearing them, but it just looks too complicated to me, or I've tried and I've failed. So I'm going to show you a really easy way. Now I know there are loads of videos out there which are basically showing you how to apply eyelashes. What makes mine so different? Well, I'm going to show you a super easy way. I feel like people have overcomplicated it over time. It's honestly such an easy process if you know how. So I'm going to show you such a simple way, literally 3 little small steps, and you're going to be a pro by the time you watch this and practice a couple of times. So before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could give this a thumbs up because it helps me out with the algorithm as well. And I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so that you never miss any of my videos. You can also catch me on Instagram where you can follow me for beauty news, or you can watch some PR unboxing on my stories. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I've got my eye makeup on, got my mascara on. We're gonna get straight into the lash application because honestly, it pains me when I hear people say that they don't know how to apply lashes or it looks too complicated for them, because it is so easy once you know how. And I feel like what complicates it is when you see so many other people applying it on their tutorials in a very complicated way, because that works for them, which is great. But if you've watched any of my previous videos, which I hope you have, you'll see that my lash application is super snappy. Like, they are on super quick. Now I'm going to use my lashes, obviously my brand. I hope you like them. This is the packaging which I spent so long on with our branding team, and honestly, I love my packaging. It's just sleek. It's got that slight masculinity in there with that rose gold. I love matte black with rose gold. So anyway, I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna use my lashes in Nina. These particular lashes are my signature lash, which is why they're called Nina. Now I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty glue. I'm using the sticky tack glue, which I really like because it genuinely does stay sticky. So if you want to take, sometimes I've put this on, applied my lashes, and then taken them off, and the next day the glue's still okay, it's still tacky, so it's pretty good. I'm just going to apply this. Now what I'm doing is I apply a very small amount to the back of my hand. This is just the way I find it easier. I really do not understand people who apply it straight from here to the lash line. That I just don't get, because you just cannot control how much comes out. So anyway, what I do then is I get the back of a brush. So I have like the back of a brush, which it's like the brush has actually come off and I just use a stick. And I basically just apply a little bit onto the end. And then I literally just apply a thin amount to the strip. Honestly, such a thin amount. You really don't need a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other lash as well. So I'm literally just applying just the smallest amount. I'm gonna leave that for about just less than a minute to kind of get a little bit tacky. Sticky tack. That was not meant to be, that's not intentional. Just to get a little bit tacky. So you basically need to let your glue dry about 30 seconds or so, maybe even longer. If you do it a little bit longer, you're kind of cutting it fine because it might be too dry then. And then you want to go in with your lash. Now I'm going to grab my tweezers, and this is how I'm holding the lash. So you can see by the hair right in the middle. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in to my, I'm going to get a little bit closer for you guys because I'm going to keep this mirror low, even though usually I would kind of hold it there. I'm literally just, I'm going to try and hold this a little bit further back because I really want you guys to see. I'm going to place this right in the middle, but super close to my lash line. So aim to get it just above your lashes and let go. So as soon as that lash touches my kind of the skin just above your real lashes, I've let go with the tweezers. Let it rest there. Don't force it into position. So now what we're going to do we're gonna just stick down the outer corner. So I'm literally just sticking down that outer corner, and now I'm gonna go in and stick down that inner corner, right where your real lashes are. Literally, that is it. Let's do the other one so you guys can see this again. Now, we're gonna hold it from the middle of the hair, and I'm gonna I mean, when I'm placing it, I'm checking, right, is that where I want the end of my lash to be? So I'm kind of like, there you go. So I know, wow, I'm literally falling apart here. So, okay, I know that that's where I've placed it, and it's right in the middle. Now, if you feel that, because when you've placed it in the middle, you can let go, and then you just look straight ahead and you think, right, okay, do I need it to come further out? Do I need it to go further in? Is the placement right? That's because you've only stuck down the middle part, you've got time to kind of like slide it across if need be. So now this part, what I'm gonna do, I quite like the placement, so I'm just gonna stick it down, plus it's the same as the other side. And then I just kind of like lift the inner corner and then go back in, just because it might be stuck to a few hairs. That is literally it. Like, how easy is that? I have so many people ask me when I'm wearing these lashes, are you wearing like these semi-permanent lashes? And obviously they're not, they're my false lashes. But these lashes, I made these so that you don't see the strip. I had no eyeliner on whatsoever. So you can still wear these without having to. You know what I really couldn't stand before I created my own lash brand? Is that a lot of the lashes that I was using, you apply it and then you have to put eyeliner on. I don't want to use eyeliner. Why do you have to wear eyeliner with eyelashes? Sometimes I just wear no eye makeup and just my eyelashes, and that's it. I love that look. So that's usually when I get people saying, are you wearing semi-permanent lashes? Because I made the strip so thin yet so sturdy so that the hairs don't fall out, that it looks like you're wearing semi-permanent lashes. And at the end of the day, I can take them off and still wash my face properly. And the reason I say that is because when you wear semi-permanent lashes, I feel like you can never wash your face properly, because if I genuinely clean my face properly when I'm wearing semi-permanent lashes, they're all gonna come out. Like they say, don't get them wet. So how do you want me to clean my eyes? Like, that doesn't even make sense to me. So yeah, seriously, it's super easy. So just to go over it one more time, stick it down in the center, get the placement right. Is it in the right place? Don't stick the inner corner or the outer corner in yet, because you're holding the lash with your tweezers by the hair in the middle of the false lash. Place it in the middle. Then you have a look in the mirror straight ahead. Right, is it too further in? Does the end lash need to come out a little bit? Then you stick down the outer corner, stick down the inner corner, and you're done. As long as you've waited at least 30 seconds as a minimum for that glue to kind of semi-dry, then it will be fine. If you go straight in with wet glue, it's just gonna slide all over the place, and it's honestly just gonna be a complete mess and ruin your eye makeup probably. So yeah, literally that is it. Now, I would always recommend putting mascara on before your false lashes, because it gives there's something there which is sturdy for that false lash to kind of sit on. Now, another thing, with my lashes, I made sure that they are super comfortable, because before I created my own brand of lashes, I used to wear obviously like other brand lashes, and I felt like they just weren't comfortable. And also some of my clients that I used to like before I had my own brand, I used to use my now competitors, and I used to hear them say to me that, oh, I can feel it pinching on the inner corner. You don't get that with my lashes. So I'm not saying that, you know, you're only going to find comfortable lashes with me. There are probably many other brands out there where you'll find them, but with all of my lashes, there's 18 different styles which you can get on my website, but you genuinely will find comfortable lashes. Like these lashes, I don't even feel like I'm wearing them. All of my clients say the same thing. They don't feel like they're wearing any lashes when they're wearing my lashes, and they don't poke in anywhere. They're super comfy. So yeah, literally that is how you apply lashes. And that's how easy it is. Honestly, you have no excuse now. Now that you've watched this video, just practice a couple of times and you guys should get perfect lash application. Don't overcomplicate it, just follow the simple steps that I've shown you. Now, obviously, if you want that added bonus of that comfort and that barely there lash strip, then you want to obviously grab a pair of my lashes. And if you head over to the banner above, you can go to my website and place your orders. Now, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss a video. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.